This video is sponsored by Bonfire. You can get all types of lighter with this brand. These lighters are flexible. You can adjust the size of the lighter and also make it look like a torch or anything that you guys want to use it as. You can adjust the jet flame and pretty much do anything. So for all of my smokers out there and all the folks that loves to get stuff lit, this lighter is the best option for you. It's only for $19 on Amazon. I'll paste the link in the description. It will be the first link in the description, so make sure to go down below and click it and get one for yourself. The Realme Band 2 continues the trend set by the previous generation and is a rather affordable fitness tracker with lots of features that are complemented by a bright display and powerful battery. Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Kuwarta back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the Realme Band 2. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it. So anyways guys, let's get into this video. The Realme Band 2 is the updated version of the Realme Band that launched in India back in last year 2020 of May. The new fitness tracker from Realme comes with some obvious improvements over its present. To start off, the Realme Band 2 has a large 1.4-inch touchscreen display, which is housed in a rectangular frame compared to the 0.96-inch display on the original Realme Band. That is the Realme Band 1, but this is the Realme Band 2. Display on the Realme Band 2 offers 500 nits of brightness and sport 167 by 320 pixel resolution. To top it off, it comes with tracking support up to 15 modes, and the company says that the band will be available to track 90 working modes after an OTA update. The Realme Band 2 will be available to track walking, running, swimming, cycling, etc., and can track almost all the popular sports including outdoor, run or walk, cycling indoors, football, horse riding, hockey, table tennis, and many more sports activity. In terms of sensor, it comes with a continuous heart rate monitor and blood oxygen saturation SpO2, which has become the basic requirements of a fitness tracker. The Realme Band 2 supports personalized dual faces, which is water resistance up to 50 meters, and can track sleeping pattern and offer a 12-day long battery life. That is so amazing. The Realme Band 2 has been priced at Rs 2,999, almost 3,000 in India, which makes it one of the cheapest devices from the company in India, and is currently available for purchase on Realme's own website along with Flipkart. The Realme Band 2 has been designed with the elements of the Realme's watch in mind, while trying to keep true to the slim aesthetic of Realme's band's first interaction. It has a rectangular 1.4-inch display, 167 by 320 pixel resolution. Unlike the previous generation, the Realme Band 2 feature swappable bands, which gives it a lot more flexibility. Users can now match the band to the watch face with universal 1.8mm strap support. The default band is black and has the Dare to the Leap button. There is no physical button on the device, and the underside of its features the sensor that are allowed to keep a track of the vitals. The smartwatch comes with as many as 50 watch faces within Realme's Link app, although it could do a little more variety and color. The TFT LCD has a peak of brightness of 500 nits, which is pretty bright and seems to do a well job and is efficient even in outdoor condition. And the extra real estate on the display also makes for more legibility. One of the few complaints that I had with the Realme Band 2 is related to the band, where it wasn't the most comfortable to wear all day. Beside that, the loop on the band to keep down the extra band as a sort of a notch to lock onto the groove, which makes it rather difficult to get the band into. The band weighs about 27.3 g only, but the ability to wrap it out with another pair seemed likely a good way to avoid any issue with the band. One positive about the design is that it supports water resistance up to 5 atm, which means it can be submerged in fresh water and is related to withstand water pressure up to 50 meters. This means that it's safe for swimming with the dedication model alongside with a mix of sport activities. The Realme Band 2 has a pretty convenient interface which allows you to easily access all the different features of the device. It comes with a GH30.11 sensor which enables it to continuously monitor heart rate. This is a useful feature and I'd expect it to grizzle on the battery, but it did not. It also comes with the SPO sensor which helps you to keep track of your blood oxygen level. Besides this, it also measures stress level, sleep patterns, the typical steps collides along with distance travel using phone's GPS beside the other metrics. The sleep quality analyst is something that is a hit and miss, and it has difficult keeping an accurate track of your sleep cycle. Although I found that it was able to detect correctly the duration of the sleep, if not much less. The SPO tracking is also not the best and provides spotty result that I compared with regular SPO monitor. This also gives you the steps which are sometimes accurate and at times feels like a tad more than what I really covered in a day. But one of the strongest feature of the Realme Band 2 is its battery life. With the 204 mAh battery that is built into the device, with a full charge and wearing it as much as possible each day, the Realme Band 2 lasts for me for about a week and a half, which is admittedly good for a fitness band. And at this price tag, this includes fitness tracking, flexibility, brightness, and continuous heart rate monitoring. One of the most important feature of the Realme Band 2 fitness tracking is again an average feature for it. The smartwatch reminds you to take a break when you are sitting down for a while. I wear the smartwatch for a number of different fitness exercises during last week period, although I could not come close to trying all 90 modes available on this smartwatch, and while it did seem to be somewhat accurate in terms of how many steps I'd taken and how far I'd go, and other such data were not the most accurate. It always seemed to underplay the number of calories that I've burned in a run. Considering that these are a combination of heart monitor, SPO2 level, and distressing monitor. These could potentially be fixed with the software update. Another thing to worry about is that the Realme Band 2 can apparently be fooled by shaking one's hand to think that the user or the wearer that's wearing this smartwatch or using this smartwatch is doing something form of exercise. So I know that this watch is smart, but it ain't really that smart. The Realme Link companion app also shows a quite of low relevant information and quite convenient when setting up the device and pairing it with the smartphone. More than half of the feature of the smartphone can be toggled from the Realme Link app itself, which is rather helpful. Navigating the app is as simple as swiping and show information about daily exercise, the sleep heart rate chart, SpO2 chart, as well as pressure chart if the user was engaged in specific fitness activities. The app also shows you results. Users can also change the watch face of their Realme Band 2 from the Realme Link app, which shows the whole connection that has been made available by the company. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button down below. Also please subscribe to the channel and become a part of the Core Tech family. Also please leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about this Realme Band 2? Would you actually get it? Let me know down in the comment section. So anyways guys, before we go, as we normally said, have no rest until you're the best. It's me, your boy Core Tech. Peace out.